Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make flat enchiladas with masa using an easy method. First, let's prepare our masa dough. You'll need 2 cups of masa harina, 1 1/2 cups of warm water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix these ingredients thoroughly, then knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it's smooth. Cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. This helps the masa hydrate properly for perfect tortillas. Now that our masa has rested, it's time to form the tortillas. Divide the dough into 12 equal portions, each weighing approximately 1 1/2 ounces. Use a tortilla press with 2 pieces of plastic wrap to flatten each ball into a thin, round tortilla. Cook these on a hot comal or skillet for about 1 minute on each side. You want them lightly browned and flexible, ready for the enchilada assembly. With your tortillas ready, let's assemble these delicious flat enchiladas. First, warm your preferred red or green enchilada sauce in a shallow pan. Dip each cooked masa tortilla into the warm sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. Place 1 sauce tortilla on a plate, then generously top it with shredded cheese. Add a second sauce tortilla, more cheese, and any other fillings you enjoy, such as finely diced white onions. To finish, bake your assembled flat enchiladas in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly. Garnish your enchiladas with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or some crumbled cottage cheese for an extra touch. Serve them immediately to enjoy their warm, comforting flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.